Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. My name is Francois, and today I am going to teach you the world's easiest chicken dish. Man, I'm late for work. Right, come on, garage door, open up. Oh, crap, I forgot to get dinner ready. My God, I need something super quick for dinner tonight. I'm gonna make that chicken dish. 3 ingredients, super quick. The beauty of my roast chicken in a mustard sauce is that there's only 3 ingredients. Before you go to work in the morning, you marinate your chicken, takes under 1 minute, and then when you get home, first thing you do, you just take the chicken, the marinade, put it on a roasting pan, pop it in a 400-degree oven, and cook it for 45 minutes. I mean, that's it. That's the whole recipe. While the chicken is cooking, go have a cocktail, have a drink, watch some TV, take a shower, go do some gardening, read a book, watch a movie. You don't have to do anything in the kitchen. Just go and relax. Dinner cooks itself. Put your cooked chicken on your serving platter, and then now we're going to finish the sauce. So you just take all the yogurt and mustard that you can easily scrape off of your roasting pan and put it into a blender. And to be honest with you, you can serve the chicken just like this. You don't need the sauce. But if you're like me, I like a sauce. Oh, look at this beautiful roast chicken with a mustard sauce. You can't ask for something simpler. 3 ingredients. This is so beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat it. I'm drooling all over the place as usual. Please like my video and subscribe if you want to get more great content of simple French recipes to make. Anyways, thanks so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.